So, in this video, I want to have a look at some possible price predictions of Bitcoin over the next few years. Everything in crypto is led by Bitcoin, and there has been clear market cycles since Bitcoin's first inception back in 2009. A pseudonymous person or persons, Satoshi Nakamoto, first created Bitcoin in 2009. Satoshi still has 1.1 million Bitcoin in their original wallet, and these funds have never moved. Bitcoin mining is the process by which people use their computers to participate in Bitcoin's blockchain network as a transaction processor and validator. Bitcoin uses a system called proof of work, which means that miners must prove they have put forth effort in processing transactions to be rewarded. This effort includes the time and energy it takes to run the computer hardware and solve complex equations. After every 210,000 blocks mined, or roughly every 4 years, the blockchain rewards given to Bitcoin miners for processing transactions is cut in half. This event is referred to as halving because it cuts in half the rate at which new Bitcoins are released into circulation. This is Bitcoin's way of enforcing synthetic price inflation until all Bitcoins are released. All of this is important to show us some kind of timescales as to when the next cycle's all-time highs will be due. Around 400 days after Bitcoin's halving has been when peaks of the bull cycle have came in. The next halving is due around March 2024, so I'm suggesting some of the numbers I'm going to discuss should come in mid to late 2025, though none of this is an exact science and it's more like an art. And what I mean by that is anyone stating they know what will happen and when is basically lying. Any predictions are basically educated guesses, as history doesn't exactly repeat, but it does tend to rhyme. I'm going to use data from the two previous bull and bear cycles for my future price predictions. So during the 2017 to 2019 cycle, Bitcoin rose 1,800%, which is an 18x, and then saw an 83% drop during the following bear market. Then the 2020 to 2022 cycle, Bitcoin rose 1,600%, which is a 16x, then saw a 77% drop in the current bear market. So assuming the recent low of $15,299 was the bottom, I'm going to use this as the base figure to apply future gains to. So the previous two cycles we've seen an 18x and then a 16x, and as I said, this isn't an exact science, so I'm going to apply a 14x to the next peak bull run. So I have a target of $215,000 per Bitcoin in mid to late 2025, and to be honest, if we get near there, I will be exiting, as I have learnt the hard way before thinking just holding was the way to go.